For control. Control. Yes, very much control. Smooth. Good.
This is here. At the bottom of your That's what he should see. Put that in the middle. Okay?
Keep breathing. Breathing goes up in the way. Careful. Be careful.
Spread them out. Spread your feet a little bit.
کمی walk off. کمی بیشتر بنداز.
Right. Right. Good. Okay. Now.
Alpha میدی.
Breathe. Okay. Fire. Okay. Breathe. Remember to breathe.
This time. That's okay.
Easy. Easy. Relax. Okay. Relax. I love to train. I love to train soldiers. Training police officers with the Afghan police is no different. Training is training. It doesn't matter, and you get to see the expression on their faces, and you know when they're getting target hits out there on the range. You know their faces light up just like American soldiers' faces light up. So human behavior and looking at them, it's all the same.
Okay. Thank you. You're gonna come back shoot some more. I got pretty good eyesight. For example, our training today was on weapons tactics. After a lot of advising and mentoring with the checkpoints here in the Qalat area, we identified that there were a lot of police that have minimal knowledge on weapons, tactics, and patrolling, and actually firing their own weapon. That immediately became a priority for a commander. For them to be a sustainable force, they need to protect their force. So that, I trained thousands of U.S. soldiers, team leader, squad leader, platoon sergeant, and working with these Afghans, I became very, it humbled me, and I became clear on what my task was immediately by experiencing with them their style and their way of training with these weapons.
Cool. I have an 8 card. Great.
Push.
What do you have?
Gentlemen.
So, task that we're going to accomplish today on the range is 0 and qualification.